Hello students, today we are going to have a look on the capacity of batteries. So we have seen what is inside the battery and now the capacity of the batteries are depend on the amount of charge inside the batteries. So let us compare this water bottle with the battery. If the water bottle is full, that means if the battery has a full charge, then the force of water inside this bottle will be more. Similarly, if the battery is of full charge, then the amount of voltage generated by this battery will be more, and the amount of liquid inside this bottle is equal to the amount of charge inside this battery, and hence the current rating, that is the output current of this battery, is also equal to the amount of charge inside this battery. Okay, we will make a small experiment and check how the voltage varies as we use the battery for a longer time. Now I am going to make a small hole in this bottle. Okay, now I have made a hole in this bottle so that if we open this cap, we will get some water out of this bottle. So let us check it now. Now I'm going to open the cap of this bottle. So now can you see the water is coming out? Okay, but if we close the top of this bottle, the water coming out has stopped. Why? How it happens? Because if the top of this bottle is closed, then there is no way for air, that is the atmospheric air, to enter into this bottle, so that the water level remains the same even though we have a hole over here. So when we open the top of this bottle, the atmospheric air enters inside this bottle and pushes this water down, so that due to atmospheric pressure, the water inside this bottle comes out. Okay, so similarly, this battery contains some charge. So this charge is equal to the water inside this bottle. So if we use this battery to power an equipment, then what will happen? The charge inside this battery will start reducing, like the water inside this bottle starts reduce. If we connect this battery to a device, so that the device gets some charge from this battery, and the amount of charge inside this battery will start to reduce. So what happens is, as in water, the level of water will reduce and the force of the water coming out from this point will change. Similarly, in this battery, as the amount of charge coming out from this battery reduces, slowly the voltage of this battery will reduce, so that the voltage is similar to the pressure of water over here, and the current is amount of charge inside this battery, that is the current is similar to the amount of liquid inside this bottle. So let us check it now. If we open this cap, can you see I have now fully opened? Okay, I have now fully opened the top of this bottle. So the force of water coming out from this point is slowly reducing because of the reduction of height of water over here. So the force of water is the amount of voltage inside the battery. So as the charge decreases, the force of voltage will also reduce. So we can watch it in this experiment now. As the water level decreases, the force of water will reduce. Students, can you see that the water is sprinkling up to this point? Now we have mixed some colors inside the bottle so that we can see it more clearly. Okay, so slowly now you can see that the force of water coming out from the bottle has been reduced a lot, and hence the water reaches this point in the bowl. So at first the water reached this point, but now the water is reaching this point in the bowl. So the force has reduced a lot. Similarly, if we use this battery for a longer time, then what will happen? The charge inside this battery will reduce, and also the voltage level of this battery will also reduce. So in a small battery, the amount of voltage at full charge will be 4.2 volt, and the amount of voltage at a completely discharged position will be 2.7 volt. So the voltage will decrease as we use the battery for a longer time. So we can measure the charge of the battery by measuring the voltage of a battery. So we have to maintain a proper voltage for a battery to perform for a longer time. Okay students, we will be learning more in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.